Hi, a very good afternoon all of you. My name is Abhijeet Thaker and today I will discuss about our recent work towards factory in a box for personalized emulsion on demand harnessing vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation. The present work has been initiated under the supervision of Professor Vivek Ranade at the University of Limerick, Ireland. Well, the main goal of this project is to develop factory in a box for a personalized emulsions where we will include soft sensors to translate customers' need into drop size distribution that can be applicable in various sectors, for example, healthcare, cosmetic, food, and many more. Here in this piece of work, the main focus is to develop a hydrodynamic cavitation device which will allow us to generate tailored drop size distribution for a personalized emulsions. So here we are developing novel vortex-based hydrodynamic cavitation device for liquid-liquid emulsions. Previously, Professor Ranade has developed this device and tested for different applications such as wastewater treatment. In the present project, we are extending the application of this device in the field of liquid-liquid emulsions because it has several unique advantages such as early inception of cavitation, enhanced contact between cavities and drops, and so on. So to design an optimization of this device, we have developed experimentally validated multi-layer CFD model for liquid-liquid emulsions. Here, multiphase mixer model used to simulate liquid-liquid cavitation flow in addition to the single-lateral cavitation model. Further, two equation SST K omega model is adopted for the turbulence modeling. Some of the models are still being developed to predict the cavitation model accurately. We have initiated the validation of our model with the measured pressure drop with different flow rate, and the predictions are found to be in good agreement with the measurements. Further, we have performed several measurements of liquid-liquid emulsions considering 5% rapeseed oil in water, which is widely used emulsion system in food industry. The main focus of the measurements was to investigate the drop size after single-pass cavitation treatment, followed by the validation of the CFD model. Here we found that the drop size decreased in one order of magnitude. So basically, it reduced from 120 micron to 10 micron just in a single pass treatment. These indicate a noticeable contribution of cavitation in droplet breakage in the emulsification process. So we also estimated the energy requirement and dissipation of energy due to the droplet breakage and found the energy dissipation in 10 micron droplet is significantly higher than the 100 micron droplet. So presently we are investigating the oil flow pattern and identifying the zones of higher energy dissipation in the device with the help of CFD simulation. These analysis and CFD simulation provide a crucial information for the design optimization of the device to improve efficiency of the device towards the emulsification quality. Finally, a single pass of vortex-based cavitation device can produce 10 micron drops, and these reductions demonstrate the role of concentrated energy dissipation zone due to the cavities, and overall vortex-based cavitation device and model will be the strong formulation of the way towards the factory in a box platform for emulsions. Thank you very much.
If not, one from me. I was trying to get a feeling for how your equipment compares to other sort of emulsification systems you might think of using. Have you compared it to other systems that are used?
Yeah, actually, nowadays we are comparing our particular vortex-based device with the Venturi-based device and with ultrasonication also, because basically ultrasonication is not used for scale up and like that. So our main idea is to scale up the production and particular this device to fulfill the demand of the of the customer. So yes, right now we are comparing with the Venturi type and with Venturi type cavitation device as well as ultrasonication.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, I could understand how this could be. I mean, you would scale this up in size, or you would scale this out by making multiple of these devices.
Exactly.
You would make multiple devices.
Right now we are concentrating only one device because this one device can fulfill the demand of 1 liter per hour. So if the requirement will be higher, we can use multiple devices also parallel.
Okay.